Hello my friends, today Grasshopper time. Why? I've made already 3 or 4 videos about my Grasshoppers. I love very much these cars. Once we had serious battery problem. Very fast car, your battery lasts for 7 minutes, 8 if you are very clever in driving and don't waste energy. The Grasshopper let you make run and races for over than 20 minutes. Of course, not very fast, but the frame was so imperfect that it was a challenge to take it straight and to win a race. We loved this car. Cheap, very funny, very nice, and not so easy to drive, even if slow. So I bought this one. Then in the time I wanted to have it faster and more drivable, so I made just one and motor. Then I took away all the pieces I didn't need just to have very light car. This is the result, completely upgraded by myself. Then I bought this one, and with this one I made quite the same work, and there are videos. A few months ago I decided to have a real standard Grasshopper. Why not to buy one? Why not to transform a upgraded Grasshopper in a real standard Grasshopper? And I made this with some little licenses. This little screen, here is green, here is blue. This is my signature, you can see. There's a video in which I upgrade the car. Standard dampers, and today it's time to see how does it drive. Slower, higher, more weight, less weight. Let's go to the track. Comment, like and subscribe. Overall, subscribe. For you is nothing, for me it's so important. You can't imagine how much important. How happy am I when I see a new subscriber. So welcome, newcomer. Thank you if you subscribe. Thank you very much. To the track. And this is my standard Grasshopper, as it was at the origin, but with a little upgrade, that is the engine. The engine is 380 tuned. How it's bouncy. Very difficult. Perhaps need softer springs on the rear. Wow. Yes, with the dry soil it is very difficult. But once you learn, it's not so terrible. And it is not so slow. Woo, 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 woo! What a big jump! On the rear is a little bit too hard. On the front is quite good. Woo, you see. Oh, this is not good. Yesterday we had a lot of wind and the tree dropped a lot of things. I'm really pretty satisfied about the engine, but this is too hard. This is good. This is too hard. And the AC is good, but it's not with a great modulation. And this is the Grasshopper. Win. This is the problem. The pinion has no the screw. It has to be mounted with heat. If you heat this enlarges and the shaft gets in. When it became cool, shrinks and stay in position. It's quite a little problem. I can make a hole and invent a screw. Just a little work, not too much difficult, but at the end I think it's the best thing to do. The other thing is this. Thinking to doing well, I put these rings, silicone rings, on the shaft of the rear dampers. And perhaps this stops too much, so I have to eliminate and maybe the car stops bounce. Seems okay. Let's go to the truck. Fantastic Grasshopper! This engine is very fast. Originally it wasn't so fast. I love this Grasshopper. And this is in the absolute original shape. And I have to say that my upgrades were not so performing. The car has to be original. You see that I don't do too many mistakes. Once I understood that you have to be gentle with such a car. Woo! Bye-bye! And also on the grass, she performs quite good. Wonderful. Great Grasshopper. If you want a cheap car, nice, cheap, 80s looking car, I highly recommend you to buy this. And with this little engine and the modern batteries, I think that you have to kill the car to stop it. I enjoy them so much. This tuned engine is super, makes the difference. And we have this very ancient speed controller. With the modern one, I think it will be better.